Having traced my image, I'm going to use my selection tool and click in white space so nothing is selected. I'm just going to make my image a little bit smaller because I want to explain a little bit more about what's actually happened when we've traced our image. I'm actually going to go and select the Direct Selection tool. The Direct Selection tool allows you to select any item within a set of grouped items. If I click on this object, you will see here top left hand corner it tells me it's grouped. So at one click I can select it all. To separate out parts of this graphic, what I'm going to do is use the Direct Selection tool. Okay, I'm going to click in white space, deselect my object. I'm going to get the Direct Selection tool. Now, I don't even have to actually make a selection to find out where elements are. I simply have to move my cursor. Now, when it does the actual trace, it will actually include the background of the image itself. So what you're looking at here, this highlighted box, is the background of the image. I'm going to mouse down and drag this to the right. So what I've got here is literally the actual background scanned and then converted into a vector graphic. Now if I just put a fill color into this location, you can see what it actually produces. Now I've done this just for demonstration purposes to show you that it's actually drawn and traced around all of the outlines. Okay, I don't actually need this in my logo, so I'm actually just going to use backspace and delete it. We're then going to focus on what we can actually do in terms of colorizing the rest of the graphics that we've scanned. Now when I select it with the selection tool, you'll see it's now narrowed down the selection to just the area that's left, having deleted the background. I'm going to make this a little bit larger. I'm just going to zoom in a little bit. So I'm ready now to start doing colorization.